Right, let's get the old Stalker back together. Something I always like to say to people is that when you're putting the fascias back on, you're putting these screws back in that hold them on, the 4 M3 screws. Don't go mad tightening them, because that's how we end up with them snapped off. They only take so much and they crack. Because after 30 odd years, this old plastic gets a bit brittle. So I get them into the point where the thread starts to bite on the screw when it's flush with the side of the bezel, and then I just give them a little tweak then. That's it. Open case. Top case. Most people probably develop their own technique for doing this, but this is the way I do it.
Yeah, you're right there. I got my big black radio back.
I don't tighten all the screws fully home until I've all 8 in. And sometimes you need to kind of shift the cases around a bit that they'll fit flush with the bezel. Bit of stateside skip running today, 38 lower. You have to be extra vigilant with Stalkers, because if you cross thread the case screws, you're in trouble, because they're not removable inserts like what's in the aluminium chassis of a Cobra 148 or Superstar, or aluminum for our American viewers, depending on which side of the pond you're. It's the chassis on the Stalker is pressed metal, pressed steel. So if you strip the thread, you're in trouble. You can use self-tappers, but bigger self-tappers, but it looks ignorant. Yes, that's the case is back on. That looks nice. I'm well happy with that. A little tweak here. there you have it. Oh, I am well happy with that. Big improvement. Looks really well. I'm well happy with that now. Excellent job. Really happy. I think it looks good.
CQ 105, North Coast Island. CQ to X, CQ to X 105, North Coast Island. One radio 714, 7 o'clock time, stateside New York time. Central Florida,
That's it for now. We'll be back.